I'm so sick and tired of this hair. I just want to cut it. Oh, but I can wear it like this. I just made a style. Oh, does this look cute? Hey guys, so we are on a road trip. Where are we going, Robin?
We're going to buy some toys and juice
And what?
chips and something for mommy.
Yes, so she was saying, Mommy, we're gonna buy what I want. And listen, she didn't leave out Mommy. She said she's gonna buy chips and juice for herself, and she never left me out. So it's Saturday. Robin don't like take taxi every day. She said, Mommy, you soon buy a Jeep. Which of course I soon buy my Jeep.
We got the car. We got the car.
We're not taking taxi.
We're not taking taxi.
We're
Whoa.
not taking
Taxi. We're not. Mommy, when we take taxi, it's boring. Those taxi is super fast, so I'm not going in the car. I'm not going in the taxi again. It was so good when we were at the zoo. And I wish I can go at the zoo again.
Yeah.
You two don't.
Yeah. No, when it's like a holiday.
Yeah,
It's on holiday.
And then we're gonna have lots of time to go to the hotel.
Yeah. Mommy gonna make lots of money so we can go to the hotel. I need to get gas. Wow. So we're eating
Why you have to get gas?
for the car. If we don't get gas, the car is gonna shut off. And we're gonna have to push it. If it shut off, you're gonna push it with me? Huh? KFC is the best and KFC is the worst.
Why?
It tastes good.
Let me
But-
turn it off. Because it's going to dead up.
Oh, the car is gonna die, right? Oh yes, Robin, yes, good. Oh my God, you're so amazing. Thank you, because I don't want to run out of gas right here. Thank you, baby, for that. Yeah, let me wind the windows down. So we finish eat and then I go buy the gas. I wasn't thinking about that. See, she has a brain better than mommy. So you can want to turn this way. Fingers on the camera. You gotta turn this way. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Oh. Yeah. Oh my. Oh wait, mama. I don't like these things, when I have to sit down and see her go through the pain. So it was a little hard for me as well, but I'm happy that it's just one and not two. You're gonna get what you want?
Yeah, we see it on cartoon.
So we're gonna get toys now because she just pierced her ears, so she said she wanna get a toy. You're having too much kitchen. Remember you were asking for a doll this morning? See dolls here.
No other button.
That's a pretty doll. And she has bows for her
You
hair.
hold it. You hold it. You hold it.
You want remote cars? It's Dolly. You're gonna get Dolly. I don't know why she in here, but she want boy toys. What do you mean you want boy toys? You're gonna buy one for
Zane.
For Zany?
And this is for my baby sister.
That's for your baby sister?
Yeah.
Do you have a baby sister? Oh. Robin is playing with her truck. I get my face washed and get myself ready for bed. Finished for the night. I'm just so exhausted. I can't believe that I'm actually just about to go take a shower. I didn't take a shower instantly. I said, you know what, I'm gonna unwind a little bit, so I did change. Said that I wasn't going to shower, and then I'm like, no, I feel too sweaty. So I'm actually gonna shower, and then I unpacked the bag because I did do a little bit of snack shopping for her back to school, get some fruits and stuff for back to school. Boy, may I tell you, the amount of money spent on Robin. I intended to get something for myself and I didn't, because she wanted a toy, she wanted this, she wanted that. And listen, nothing is cheap in Jamaica, and girl ain't working. So if I don't have to spend it on myself, I don't. Spend whatever I have on her, that's it. But things not cheap. Things not cheap, eh? Nothing not cheap. Everything expensive. Buy a broke $1,000, it done. Jesus, mighty God. Little truck where you see me buy for that car, 3,500. I would do well right now. I would go back to Mr. Chin and tell him to give me back my money and take the truck. But she wanted it, and she wanted it for a while, and I couldn't convince her to get a doll because she wanted a car and she wanted a remote car, and that's what she needs. So that's what I got. And then snacks, and then fruits, and then oh, she got school in the morning in the next week coming, so gotta save lunch money, and you gotta save money for extra lesson. And I'm tired. I can't wait. I'm exhausted. By the time you guys see this, I think it would be Monday. I am going to try to edit so you guys can see it over the weekend. If not, it's Monday. So I hope you guys all had a great weekend and will have a fantastic week. I can't believe it's already the 3rd week of September, the 3rd week of school. So September is already over and it's already Christmas. So you guys have a great day. I am gonna go take a shower and unpack these groceries and relax and watch a movie. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, my besties. And Robin got her hair pierced today. Robin, you know, come show off. Come show off your piercing. She obsessed with her car. You're a car mash up the whole place. Watch her. Watch her. She mash up the whole place with the car. We are turning it back to me for me. Want to see a man. Let me see a man. Let me see a man. Let me see her. She excited and she pierced. She got her hair two ears pierced. She did a little bit of cry. I did try to video. I asked one lady to video it for me. And boy, I tell her when I look, I said, Jesus. I mean, like, ask people to video, you know, but you guys will see. I just try to show you guys a little bit of what I do whenever I go out. But that's enough talking for me. Bye. Love you guys. Peace.
Future so bright, so just smile like there's no one watching.